Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my monthly subscription box, my Boxycharm unboxing box, and I'm going to try and do a Tryon version this time. I used to do them sometimes, but then I stopped because I got lazy, but now I'm going to try and get back into them. So yeah, if you want to see what I got, just keep on watching. So last month was the Boxy Luxe box, but now every month in between is going to be just the regular box, the smaller boxes, but they still have some pretty good products. So this is what the box looks like first this month, and this month's theme is Boxy and Chill, kind of like Netflix and chill. And now I'm back to 5 products, I believe. Yeah, 5 products. So let's see. So the first thing is this Briogeo Rosarco Milk. It's a reparative leave-in conditioning spray, and I'm pretty sure this isn't a full size, but it says effectively restore your hair softness, manageability, moisture, and shine with Briogeo's Rosarco Milk Spray, infused with the signature blend of ultra nourishing rosehip, argan, and coconut oils. This spray works to detangle wet hair and protects against heat while locking in moisture, restoring luster, and diminishing frizz. And this one retails for $12. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a sample, but it's a pretty good size sample just to try it out. And Briogeo is a pretty good brand. Next up is this BDB Billion Dollar Brows Universal Brow Pencil, and this one, it says specially and carefully formulated to work perfectly with most skin tones and brow colors. This self-sharpening pencil glides onto your brows without tugging or pulling your skin. The spoolie at the end makes for easy blending, and the smooth and creamy formula makes for easy application. And this one retails for $18, so we'll see if it's worth that money. So it has the spoolie right there. And this is, I like that it's a retractable pencil because I hate sharpening pencils. And let's see how this one works. That shade looks a little too light for me, but we'll just see. I hate when they do universal shades because they're not really universal. I don't believe there's a universal shade in skin tones. Oh, so it actually is really creamy. It glides on super easy. So there's Swan Brow with the pencil. It is a little, I mean, it matches okay with my hair, but it's still a little light for what I like. So yeah, it's definitely not a universal shade. I don't understand why they do that. But I mean, it's not bad. It is quite smooth. It does glide on quite smooth on the eyebrows. So I did the other eyebrow off camera and it turned out okay too. I think I like this one better than this one. But I kind of noticed, I mean, the glide's really nice and everything, but I feel like it's a little waxy. I'm not sure. Maybe I just used too much. I'm not sure. But one thing I noticed don't like is that whenever I'm gliding it, using it, it retracts by itself. Like the retraction is so loose. It's like when you're using it, it retracts back into itself, and it makes it kind of hard, so you're having to pull it back out. Next up are these Tatcha mask. I can't believe it. I've never used any Tatcha products, I believe, so I'm super excited to try these out. Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask. It's a pack of 2, and it says nourish skin from within using the lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. Each mask is designed for maximum absorption, delivering 20 milliliters of skin quenching serum and impacting an instant dewy luminous glow. A scientifically perfected trio of fermented Japanese anti-aging superfoods like green tea, rice, and algae Instantly restores skin's health and radiance, and these retail for $24. It's nice that this is the first Tatcha product I get to try, and I don't usually do a lot of masks, which I really need to, but I'll probably do these tonight just to give it a try. And I mean, Tatcha is a really good brand, so I'm excited to have these. And then up next is this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette, and this one says limited edition Rainforest of the Sea highlighting eyeshadow palette volume 3. Highlighting eyeshadow palette. So this is what it looks like, and that's what the inside looks like. A lot of neutral colors for sure. This one says dive into this vegan crease-free eyeshadow palette that features 7 highly reflective plush micro shimmers and 1 matte nude that serves as the perfect transition shade. This blendable and long wear formula is enriched with vitamin E and antioxidants, helping to hydrate and protect the lids, and it retails for $36. I've seen there was one that I really wanted to get, like the similar style, but it's not this one for sure. And I don't know, just those neutral colors don't really attract me. Like, I like the shimmers and stuff, but it has too many neutral colors for me. I like more of the colorful palettes, like the reds and the pinks and the bold colors, and this one's just kind of, I don't know, kind of boring to me, but I'm still gonna give it a try. So there's 3 of them. I mean, they're pigmented. They're okay. They're pretty. They're nice, I guess, but still not my cup of tea. So right here, I just tried to do as best as I could to use that 1 matte transition shade, but it still seemed like it wasn't much going on there. Like, there was no color to it, kind of. I mean, I'm really fair as is, and that color wasn't really great for me, so I just kind of tried to work with it. And then I went in on the outer corner of the eye with the darkest shimmer on the palette, but it still wasn't like super dark as I would have wanted. I mean, it worked okay now that I look at it, because in person it didn't look that great, but I guess with the lights it looked a little better. But yeah, I still did try to do my best and do something that would stand out as best as I could, but it was still kind of hard with the shade range that they put in there. And then for the inner corner of the eye, I used actually the lightest shade in the palette, which was not a gold. It was a pretty bright white, almost silverish color, and that did stand out quite a lot. I probably should have added some Fix Plus just to make it pop a little more, but I mean, I think it was okay without it. It blended in, matched the other color pretty okay. I just did a lot of blending on there to make it look as best as I could and make it stand out as best I could, because it wasn't that dark of colors anyways. And right here, I just used the goldest color, I believe, and please excuse my faces. I don't know why I do those faces, but yeah. So yeah, I just literally used 1 color. That's the look I came up with. It's nothing like that I would usually do, I guess. Just I tried to do as something as bold as I could. But alright, so last but not least, I got this Ofra long lasting liquid lipstick, and it looks like that. And this one says this matte liquid lipstick delivers long lasting color that perfectly outlines and fills in lips. The stunning pigments stay put all day with minimal transfer while maintaining comfortable wear. Infused with vitamin A and antioxidants, your lips will look and feel healthy all day, and it retails for $20. And this one's in the shade Havana Nights. So that's the color. It's a really dark bold color for real. Like, I don't know, it's a little patchy, like you can see in the middle of the lip. It's not quite as dark as it is on the outsides corners. I don't know, but it hasn't, I feel like it hasn't completely dried down yet. And let's do the wear test. Well, hopefully it'll dry down and stay on better. We'll give it a few minutes and see what it does. But I don't know, hopefully it won't bleed. I feel like it's already bleeding a little bit. So that was all the products. I'm gonna do a little recap. So first thing I got was the Briogeo leave-in conditioner spray. Then I got the universal shade, the universal brow pencil, which was okay, but it felt like a little kind of too much wax in it, kind of, and I didn't like the retractable. Like, I like that it's retractable, but I don't like that it goes down while I'm using the pencil. Then third, I got the Tatcha Luminous face mask, which I love. I can't wait to try them. And then the eyeshadow palette by Tarte, which is, I mean, it's cool because it's a Tarte eyeshadow palette, but I don't like the shades. I mean, I guess it'll be okay for the people that want to use the highlighting shades for the inner corners and stuff, but as like all to use on for a single look, it's not really usable, because first of all, it only has one matte shade and all of them rest are shimmers, and they're not even that there's not a big shade range in there. And then lastly, I got the Ofra liquid lipstick, which I like the color, but these I feel like it's more like a fall color. And let's try the test again. So this is what the first one, let's do. So it's getting better, but still I'm pretty sure it's gonna not stay on as long as I would like. So the total retail price of the box was $110. So it was 5 items for $110. Oh, $110 worth of items for $21. So it's not bad, but this month wasn't that great. Boxyluxe is off, like, obviously better because it's way more items, but it's also costs more. But it's only a monthly subscription anyway. I mean, seasonal one. But this month wasn't my favorite. It might have been my least favorite, to be honest. Well, no, because the Tatcha and the Briogeo kind of make up for it. I mean, the liquid lipstick isn't bad. It just wasn't my favorite. And the pencil is okay, I guess. But just the Tarte was kind of disappointing, because I saw Tarte and I'm like, I hope it's good. I thought it was going to be good, but I mean, it's not bad, I guess. It's always usable. Just kind of let me down this month, but we'll see. Maybe the next month will be better. But yeah, I'll leave the link in the description below, and you can get on the Boxyluxe box list. I don't know if there's a waiting list. There might be, but if you want to get on it, you need to subscribe to regular subscription first and then get on the waiting list for Boxyluxe. So yeah, I'll leave the link down below, and I'll see you on my next video. Hope you liked it and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you later. Bye.